Hi everybody, let's go through and take a look at the IXL that is due on January 26th. You need to be working on Tuesday, January 25th, which is FF2, correct errors with indefinite pronoun verb agreement. So the task here is to find the error with the subject verb agreement and select the incorrect verb and type it correctly. So let's take a look. The easiest thing to do here is try to find the pronoun and then determine what verb should go with that pronoun. So, millions of devices in our homes, like cable TV boxes, microwaves, and computers, can continue to consume energy while we sleep. Most uses more electricity than necessary and could be designed to be more energy efficient. Okay, so we're looking for indefinite pronouns here. And remember, on our lesson, we had an indefinite pronoun chart right here, which had lots of like the common indefinite pronouns. And one is standing out to me right now, this word right here, most. So I'm going to go back to the IXL right here is that pronoun. Most is the word. Now we need to make sure that that pronoun agrees with the verb that goes with it. Now, when we say most uses or most use. Now, let's go back to this chart here. It says that most can be either singular or plural. So that poses a little bit of a conundrum here because we could say most uses, and we're saying that it's a singular pronoun. But take a look at the antecedent of this pronoun. Millions of devices. Now, devices, that is a plural antecedent. So because of that, most here is a plural pronoun. And because this is a plural pronoun, we're going to use the plural verb, which is just use. Most use more electricity than necessary. Okay, and notice how that just even sounds better. Most use instead of most uses. That doesn't make sense. Most uses. All right, let's try it one more. If no one in the audience laughed at a joke, made fun of how bad the joke was, the seasoned comedian advised the less experienced performers. So right here, that's our pronoun, no one. So one is our pronoun. If one laugh, then we've got one person here. All right, we're thinking of just one entity. So this verb needs to be laughs. If no one laughs at a joke. An unsuspecting Mr. Whitaker opens the front door to his apartment. He stands dumbfounded in his doorway, his briefcase in one hand and a bag of Chinese takeout in the other, as everyone in the room yell, surprise. Okay, my indefinite pronoun again. If you're having trouble locating them, refer back to this chart in your lesson. But my pronoun here is everyone. Everyone, what do they do? Yell. Now it's one person, every one person. So every one person yells. Okay. And that's how you correct the errors with the indefinite pronoun and verb agreement. Okay? If I've got a plural indefinite pronoun, I need a plural verb, a verb that goes with a plural noun. Okay? If I've got singular, you need to make sure that you have the singular form of the verb. And that's it.